Hello guys and welcome back to Techie Screw channel. Today we are going to be learning how to fix Instagram not sending SMS code login. If you are experiencing issue with Instagram not sending the SMS code for login, here are several troubleshooting steps you can take. Check internet connection. Ensure that your phone has a stable internet connection. Instagram requires an active internet connection for sending and receiving SMS codes. Resend code. After entering your phone number, Instagram usually provides an option to resend the code. Try tapping on the option to resend the code. Wait for a while. In some cases, there might be a delay in receiving the SMS code. Wait for a minute and check if the code arrives. Check phone number. Double check that you have entered the correct phone number with the appropriate country code. Clear app cache. For that, open the phone setting. Scroll down. Tap on apps. After that, tap on manage apps and search for Instagram. In app info of Instagram, you can see here storage, tap on it. In the bottom, you can see here clear data, tap on it. From pop-up, tap on clear cache. After that, update Instagram app. For that, open the Google Play Store and search for Instagram. If any update option is available, tap on update option. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Instagram app. Outdated versions may have bugs that can be fixed in newer releases. If the issue persists, consider trying a different phone number. This can help determine if the problem is specific to your number. That's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.